Hello and welcome to Making Joyful Noise, brought to you by beautiful St. Paul Lutheran Church in downtown Sarasota, Florida. My name is John Ferreira. I am the organist and music director of the church. On Sunday, we are going to be singing a hymn entitled, How Sweet the Name of Jesus Sounds. The text was written by John Newton. No, not the Newton where the apple fell on the head. That's a different Newton entirely. This Newton is the guy you heard about at another one of these little vlogs that I made about being the captain of a slave ship who got converted. He wrote another hymn called Amazing Grace. I think you know that one too. Anyway, he wrote the text of this one. And he took the text from 1 Peter 2:7. And that text is, Unto you, therefore, who believe, he is precious. Now, supposedly, the story goes that Dr. Newton preached this sermon very shortly before he died at the age of 82. His memory was gone, his vision was not very good, so he always brought up an assistant to the pulpit, and the assistant had an outline of what the sermon was going to be, and the assistant would read that, and then Dr. Newton would preach on that for a long time. I don't know that, but I've heard that. Anyway, this particular Sunday, when he was reading, the very first paragraph was, Jesus Christ is precious. So Dr. Newton said that and then expounded on it. The second subject was, Jesus Christ is precious. He heard that and he preached some more on that. And just as the assistant was going to tell him, the third one is also Jesus Christ is precious. You've already said that twice. He apparently turned to his assistant and said, I have said that twice, and I will say it again. And apparently he did say it again extremely loudly to the congregation. Jesus Christ is precious. And that's how this hymn text came to pass. The music is written by Alexander Reinagel. It's beautiful music. Listen. We all know that. We're going to be singing verse 1, 2, and 5. Verse 5, I think, is the most important verse. However, it presents a problem to the church organist. It has 11, count them, 11 commas. One is a mistake, I'm sure, because it's a comma before the word and that's no longer necessary. But it has 10 commas. And at every comma, the organist is supposed to make the organ breathe like this. And we'll be doing that on Sunday. So be sure to get ready for verse 5. Each one of those words is super important, and we'll be singing them strongly. See you Sunday morning at 9:30 on Facebook or live. Thank you for listening.